Hi dear students, today we will discuss the question paper of Karnataka Residential Educational Institution Society, Bangalore, State Level SSLC CRIS Practice Exams 2, February 2023, Social Science subject, Class 10, timings 3 hours 15 minutes, maximum marks 80, subject code 85E. There are some general instructions to the candidate. First instruction, this question paper consists of objective and subjective types of 38 questions. Second, follow the instructions given against both the objective and subjective types of questions. Third instruction is, figures in the right hand margin indicate maximum marks for the questions. Fourth instruction is, the maximum time to answer the paper is given at the top of the question paper. It includes 15 minutes for reading the question paper. First main, 4 alternatives are given for each of the following questions are incomplete statements. Choose and write the correct alternative along with its letter of alphabet. This main carries 8 marks and 8 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. First question, the chairman of State Reorganization Committee was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Fazal Ali, Jawaharlal Nehru, H.N. Kunjru. Second question, the League of Nations was established with the intention of preventing wars in the future, funding warring countries, spreading Nazi ideology, derising new independent nations. Third question, the main purpose of introducing Stree Shakti program is abolition of sati system in rural areas, the development of rural women, to fight against gender discrimination, encourage child marriage. Fourth question, example for organized labor is farmer, construction workers, BD workers, bank employee. Sixth question, the gateway of India, Cochin, Kandla, Mumbai, Kolkata. Seventh question, the word entrepreneur has come from the French word entreprendre, entrepreneur, entremetre, entrepreneuriat. Eighth question, Niti Aayog was established on October 24, 1945, March 15, 1962, November 26, 1949, January 1, 2015. Second main, answer the following questions in a word or sentence each. This main carries 8 questions and each question carry 1 marks total. This main gives us 8 marks. Ninth question, which amendment added the word secular and socialist to our constitution? 10th question, what was the immediate cause for First World War? 11th question, name the agreement between India and Pakistan mediated by Russia. 12th question, what is the essence of Article 24 of our constitution? 13th question, what is female feticide? 14th question, why the coastal erosion is more severe along the west coast? 15th question, what do you mean by fiscal deficit? 16th question, Dixit is a businessman and want to open a bank account. What type of account would you recommend him? Third main, this main carries 16 marks and it will contains 8 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. 17th question, Swami Vivekananda was a great inspiration to youth. How? 18th question, what were the futures of 1857 Queen's Declaration? 19th question, what are the plans implemented to eradicate poverty in India? Or what are the measures taken to curb terrorism in India? 20th question, what are the problems of untouchability? Or what is the role of Chipko movement in the protection of environment? 21st question, which are the factors influence the climate of India? 22nd question, how can we overcome the shortage of energy resources in India? 23rd question, how is the economic situation in the rural areas of India? 24th question, what are the problems faced by consumers? Fourth main, answer the following questions in 3 to 6 sentences each. This main contains 9 questions, each carrying 3 marks total. This main gives us 27 marks. 25th question, explain how Portuguese expanded their empire in India, or how doctrine of laws did played an important role in the expansion of British rule in India. What were the achievements of K. Seshadri Iyer? 27th question, role of Subhash Chandra Bose in freedom struggle is remarkable. Substantiate. 28th question, what are the objectives of SARC? 29th question, how organized workers are different from unorganized workers? 30th question, mention the differences between Western and Eastern Ghats. 31st question, why do the area under forest is decreasing nowadays? 31st question, why do the area under forest is decreasing nowadays, or how has agriculture helped in the development of secondary and tertiary sectors? 32nd question, what are the objectives of 5-year plan, or explain Gandhiji's concept of Gram Swarajya in the light of decentralization? 33rd question, what are various financial services of postal department, or what are the importance of an entrepreneur? 5th main, answer the following questions in 8 to 10 sentences each. This main carries 4 questions, each carries 4 marks total. This main gives us 16 marks. 34th question, explain the causes and effects of the battle Plassey. 5th main, answer the following questions in 8 to 10 sentences each. Explain the causes and effects of the battle Plassey. 35th question, what were the impacts of modern English education, or explain the judicial system formulated by East India Company. 36th question, what are the measures taken to spread literacy in India? 37th question, what are the causes and effects of soil erosion? 6th main, 38th question, draw an outline map of India and mark these. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, and outline map carries 1 marks and 4 parts given, they are giving 1 marks each. Bombay High, Tea Port of India, Bangalore, Kaiga. Thank you for watching.